Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the engram and gathering element plus basic components. This saves time. Once you have materials, craft the charge battery at the required station and place it where you can reach it quickly. Make sure to keep element reserves nearby because charging drains it fast. Also, mount or inventory store the battery if planning mobile use. This prevents lost charge mid-raid. Finally, check device compatibility so you don't waste element on an unsupported item. Next, connect your charge battery to a reliable power source like a tech generator or compatible station. This supplies steady energy. Once connected, add element or engage the charging cable. Charging begins automatically for compatible batteries. Monitor the charge percentage and watch for overheating or rapid drain, making adjustments to input if needed. If you're charging multiple batteries, stagger them to avoid spikes. Keep a buffer of element so charging completes uninterrupted. And to finish, disconnect the charge battery once it reads full and store it in a secure container or inventory slot for immediate use. Then insert or equip the battery into your device, turret, or mount as needed. Make sure the host accepts external batteries. If charging didn't complete, first recheck all cable connections and that the power source is active. Then confirm the battery type matches the device. If problems persist, reboot the generator, relocate the setup, or try a replacement battery to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.